YouTube, SPEEDY here with another Speedy car review. Today we're doing the Ford Police Interceptor. It's the Matchbox on a Mission series, so let's crack this open. Uh-oh. Anyways, so here it is. Pretty cool little Ford. Like the Tampa work on it. Says Marshall. Painted front headlights. Black wheels with black rims. I don't think this is an insert. I think that's connected to the window. Metal and plastic wheels. Cool. Has this little bumper guard thing. Rolls cool. Yeah, but anyways, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos in the future. And yeah. So, thanks for watching. SPEEDY out.